Hello everyone, I am Professor PM Chogla. Friends, today I am going to talk on CAM scanner application. Friends, recently many more students asked to me, Sir, please make on video how to install, it means how to download the application, install the application, how to use the application for to making the documents like PDF and JPG, and how to give the name to the folder, and how to send the document to email and WhatsApp, etc. So friends, today I am going to talk on this. Before going to process these all things, first of all you need to install the application. For this you have to go to what? Play Store. Okay, click on Play Store, and here type the application name, that is CAMSCANNER, CAM scanner. Okay, click on search icon. Okay friends, already I have got installed this application to my phone. Just I want to open it, and if you were installed, no problem. If you are going to install it, and listen carefully, watch carefully, and so here I want to open the application. Okay, just the application is opened. Okay friends, already I have made here some sorts of the documents, and just I want to click here. See here, camera is opened. Now see here, click on shooting button. See, yes, now document becomes scanned, and a cropping pattern is also showing on the display. So here if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it. I want to just adjust this much. I want to need this much of margin, this much of footer at the right side and top. Okay, now I selected this much of the document and just click on next. Okay friends, see here, document becomes scanned. Okay, and there are certain options are available in the bottom. See here, original, lighten, magic color, gray mode, black and white. Many more options are available, and obviously more of the people uses magic document or magic color, because it gives very clear background to the document, and the whatever the text in the documents, it shows very clearly. That is why many more people uses this setting. Okay, so I also using this one, and click on save. Okay, document become saved. Okay friends, first of all you do need, that is to give a name to the folder. This is a folder, got it? And then here click on three dots. Okay, there are many more options are there, and first of all you need to give a name, and the default name, that is CAM scanner, that is date and year and timing showing here, and if you want to change it, click on rename. Okay, give the name, that is I want to give name. Become first year files. Okay, okay, so friends, whatever we have the files, you can save into this folder. Suppose say for example I want to scan one more document. Okay, so here see, click on this button. Okay, see, the scanner is opened. Click on shooter button. Now process is going on. Yes, okay, crop this image, whether you want to resize it. Okay, just click on next. Okay friends, see the magic. Oh nice. Then click on save. Okay friends, the second page saved here into the document known as become first year. Okay, so this is page number 1, page number 2. One more options are available in this file. Suppose if you want to give a specific name for this page, okay, so I want to show you. Open the document, click on 3 dots, go to page name, okay, and type the page name, that is assignments, ASSIGNMENT, assignments or assignment 1. Then okay, see assignment 1, see here assignment 1, and you want to give this is new name for this document. Again click on this one, that is assignment 2. Okay, see assignment 2. Come to back, see assignment 1, assignment 2. So the folder name become first year files. Okay, so friends, one more thing I want to show you here, that is come to back, open the scanner and scan new document. Yes, the process is going on. Yes, captured, and save, resize the document. So here like this. Okay, click on next. Yes, this is magic color. For this you need to keep lighten or the original, okay, because the original document will be generated here. Okay, depends upon your needness. Okay friends, again you need to rename for this folder, that is if you want to make this my certificates, got it, my certificates. Okay, see here, it is to be changed. Yes, because of already I have given that name, the same name, it not be replaced by the new name, that is why it not taken. Become 2, become 2 docs means documents. Okay, yes, see here become 2 documents. Okay, this name is available in the cam scanner for my account. Okay, so friends, this is concerned to how to scan and how to rename the file folder. And now important aspect is how to send the documents. Okay, so here first folder I want to open. Here there are 2 pages, and I want to share. If you want to share this one, you can open this single page, or if you want to share entire pages, okay, just click on the button, sharing button, and click on whether you want to send it as a PDF, as a image, JPG, or any other mode of this available options. Okay, and now I want to select PDF. Okay, so again click on share. Okay, so which media you want to share, or which media you want to use for sharing this kind of the document. So via WhatsApp, Bluetooth, Gmail, and I want to share here. Again, there are many more aspects are there. I want to share here and choose here Gmail for to sharing this document. Okay, friends. Here from I want to change this one. Yes, and to address yes G yes degree assignment work 2020. See here, that is showing here because already I have saved this one 2020. Yes, see SGS degree assignment work 2020 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay friends, you can change this folder name. Okay, now you can put here instead of this one you can type that is your name. Suppose my name I will put here PM Chowgala. Got it. Yes, class BA second year. Yes, second year. And subject economics. Okay, got it. Second year economics. Okay, this is some sorts of the example. Okay, and you can also write here the economics assignment. Okay, like this, and click on this send button. Okay, see here the arrow mark is showing here at the top of the page. Click on send. Okay friends, now your document will be sent. And how do you check it? So you can have the option into your mailbox. Come back. Okay, again come back. It needs permission. Yes, I want to quit it now. Okay, so friends, now go to your Gmail account. Okay, so click on send. Yes, click on this. Okay, you sent your file to what? SGS degree assignment work 2020. This is 2020 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, just click on this. Yes, see, whatever you have scanned the document, that the same document, isn't it? See here, this is page number 1, this is page number 2. Okay, both documents are shown here. Okay, so friends, this is concerned to how to use the CAM scanner application. So friends, if you have any questions again concerned to this application, kindly mail me or call me on the respected phone number or respected email ID, and also WhatsApp me. And in this concern, I want to request you. Further, I want to upload many more updated videos. So kindly be subscribed to my YouTube channel and share this message to your friends.